Cheetahs. The fastest animal on land. Reaching speeds up to 80 miles per hour. Only in small bursts. They give out easily. If they don't catch their prey quick, they go hungry. They depend on stealth as much as speed, preying on animals like gazelles, antelopes and impalas. Cheetahs usually leave their mother after a couple of years or whenever they learn to hunt on their own. Roaming and hunting solo mostly, although they have been known to form alliances of up to as many as 5 cheetahs. Cheetah cubs are highly vulnerable to predation by other large carnivores such as hyenas and lions. The cheetah occurs in a variety of habitats such as savannas in the Serengeti, arid mountain ranges in the Sahara and hilly desert terrain in Iran. The cheetah is threatened by several factors such as habitat loss, conflict with humans, poaching and high susceptibility to diseases. Historically ranging throughout most of sub-Saharan Africa and extending eastward into the Middle East and to central India, the cheetah is now distributed mainly in small, fragmented populations in central Iran and southern, eastern and northwestern Africa. In 2016, the global cheetah population was estimated at around 7,100 individuals in the wild. It may look large and cumbersome, but when on the chase, the tail of the cheetah plays an important role. It actually helps to steer the cheetah as it runs, like a rudder on a boat.